Hey friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health and life. Guys, my today's video contains very beautiful, trendy and stylish ideas that are specifically based on bullion knot stitch, bullion knot embroidery, and along with different type of other simpler and easy to make hand embroidery patterns that are user friendly and beginner friendly. So guys, all of these designs are beautiful design patterns for neckline that could be made onto your boatneck necklines, onto your round neck necklines, onto your shirt, kurti, peplum, frock, blouse, for the designing of very beautiful creative outfits as well. So I suggest you to do try these patterns for getting more creative ideas related to hand embroidery, needle art, thread work, machine embroidery, and different types of other hand art. Do subscribe our channel. We try our best on daily basis to share creative and amazing stuff with you. If you really like the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of our channel. And do leave massive comments below our video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content, what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. With this, allow me to leave. But guys, you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. All of these 3D floral patterns are extremely eye-catchy, eye-refreshing, and they are unique. And if you make these patterns onto your necklines, everybody will ask you from where you have bought this very beautiful, trendy, and designer outfit. Then you can suggest them about our channel so that they could also start following us. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.